want to show you how to play Carrie by Europe. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that beautiful introduction. The right hand is in the, you're playing off of the key of G and its relative minor, E minor. So you've got a G, we start off on a G and then we go to an E minor right off the bat. So let's start with this. It's kind of a, it starts off with an E minor ninth chord. G, E, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we start off with the melody on this G. G, F sharp, D, B. G, F sharp, B, D, E. Then G, D, E, D, G, B, D. So it's then C, A, G, C, D, G, G, D, E, C, G, E, F sharp, D, A, G, F sharp, D. Then back up to the D, C, C, B, B, G, G, D, D, C, C, B, B, G, G, A, B, G, D, G. And your left hand is going to go E, 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 F sharp, G, E, B, G. Straight back down that E minor chord. G, B, E, B, G. Then down to a D, C, G. And I throw in a G right there. D, C, G, open fifth, B, A. Then it walks down to A, back up, B, C, D. And then A, B, C, D to G. I'm going to play that hands together very slowly so you can see it. Right into the melody, and the bass walks down from that G. So the melody is G, F sharp, D, B, G, F sharp, B, D, C, G, F sharp, D, C, G, F sharp, D, E, D, D. And I like to put a little bit of emphasis on that pickup. It again. Turns back up. D, E, G, F sharp, F sharp. And then there's a little pre-chorus bridge. E, F sharp, G, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, D. G, F sharp, E, E, G, F sharp, F sharp. And then we have a little instrumental fill, A, F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, E. It'll sound like this. Into the chorus, and I'll show you those chorus notes in a minute. So our bass is going to walk down E, B, E, D, C, C. I use the octave to get up so I can keep going down with the B, A, B, C, got octaves there. D, C, B, A, B, C, D, and then back to the C right there. To the D. Down to the A. And then, so then it goes back and forth to the C and the D. Come out of the intro, and then the melody takes right over. chorus, we're going to go G, F sharp, E, D, C, D, E, D, and then it just repeats. Now the second time when we hit to that C, we'll go C, C, D, E, D, and then we'll end it with an A, B, C, and a G, G chord, G, B, D. The right hand, to get that harmony sound, we're going to go thirds. We're going to go G and B, F sharp and A, D and F sharp, D and F sharp, D and F sharp, E and G. And then we're going to go E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, D, E, F sharp. Then we do it again. Now this time we turn up to an A and a C, and a G and a B. So then we go E, F sharp, G, G, F sharp, E, D. And then here we've got the melody. And then they have an accompaniment that goes, and the melody, back to the accompaniment, and then the melody. So we get into that from that little interlude. Melody is down here. So it's to go back and forth between those octaves. Now if you want to, you can play that whole thing up here. And I've got the octaves to show because he's singing down here. Accompaniment comes up there. And then we go right into the second verse. Now the second verse, there's a little bit of a melodic change. So G, F sharp, E, E, D, B. G, F sharp, B, D, D, C. G, F sharp, D, D, E. G, 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 E, A, 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 D. So then A, A, D. Then he goes into a little turn there. So A, A, G, A, B, A, G, E, A, G. G, F sharp, B, D, D, C. G, 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 E, G, A. G, E, A, A. Then we're back to that bridge. And this time with the bridge, we're going to turn it back up. Up to the B, A, A. Now let's try the verse, the second verse, with hands together. Get into it from the last line of the chorus. For the interlude, all they do is play chords. And it's a C chord and a D chord. So C, C, E, G, D, F sharp, A. And then we go right into the chorus. Into the guitar solo, and let's take that lead guitar solo. So we come out of that melody and you're going to go up to this E, G, A. So it's going to go E, G, A, and then an E minor chord, E, G, B. Then we're going to go E, G, E, down to B, D, B, C, B, C, B, A, G, B, D, B, G, E, G, E, D, B, D, B, A, E, G, E, G, B, B, D, B, D, A, E, G, E, G, B, B, C, B, C, B, A, G, up to the E, E, G, E, G, B, 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 A, and then he comes right in with the melody A, A, B, A, G, G, A, right into that pre-chorus tag, B, A, G, A. So we'll go right under that pre-chorus tag. So when you get to the bass on that lead guitar solo, you've got octaves. C, D, E, B, E by itself, D, E, F sharp, G, just by itself, A, B, C, E, D. Then again an octave. Just repeat. A, B, C. It ends on that D, and then the melody comes right in. So let's go through that slowly so that you can see the guitar solo with hands together. Pre-chorus tag, then we're into the tag chorus. Now during that tag chorus, he changes the melody. And then of course we just do the accompaniment. Just like it was before. There you have it, Carrie by Europe. I hope you enjoy playing it.